To add a new category to our system, you can click on Add Category button from the dashboard, or you can click on the Product section, Categories Listing, and from the Categories Listing screen, you can click on the Add New Category in the top right corner. Here you have to enter the name of the category. As an example, I am giving baby care, and then defines the parent category. The parent category is the category under which our newly created category will be listed. So if I select groceries as my parent category, the baby care category will be listed below the groceries category. If you wish to add the category as the main category, you can just click on the root category option. Okay, next is the image for the category. It must be a square image. You just click on choose file and select any of the images available for the baby care category. It must be a small image preferably of square size, say like 100 into 100 resolution. Category banner image, it's not relevant in our case. It is the image, a banner image for the category if we are showing the category as a separate page, but in our case that is not relevant. Next is the category icon. If you have any specific icon for this category, you can just search over here and find out a category icon. If you don't find any category icon which are not matching with the current category name, you can just simply select any of the icons because it is not that much used in our system at present. So any of the category icon will be selectable. Then next is to turn off and turn on the category option. Next is the position, where in which order this category must be displayed. So you can just simply give the position, and later on you can even edit it also. Click on submit. The category will be added. If you click on the back button, you can see our newly created category is added to the system.